Does cold water really cause all the dangers and complications being shared on social media? Issues like heart problems, cancer, liver damage leading to liver transplants, and other serious conditions? Is this information true, or is it just another social media myth? Especially since this article being circulated is signed by a well-known doctor in Brazil. I am Dr. Fernando Lemos, a coloproctologist and specialist surgeon in intestinal, rectal, and anal diseases. Before we dive into the video, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to the channel. We've noticed that many people enjoy our Planet Intestine videos, share them, and follow the advice, but they're not yet part of our community. It would be a pleasure to have you with us. Just click the subscribe button, it's free. A bell icon will appear, and if you click it, you'll be notified first whenever we release new, exclusive content like this video. You should know that our channel only shares information backed by scientific evidence. We don't deal in assumptions or personal opinions, whether from me or any other doctor or institution. Everything we share must have a scientific foundation. Another request: if you can pause what you're doing and take a moment, this is incredibly important for our channel. The channel is yours, the channel is mine. Please give us a thumbs up, click like, and if you find it relevant, it greatly strengthens our channel. If you can leave a comment on YouTube whether you liked the video or not, your feedback is valuable. Well, let's get started. Around 2018, this same information about the dangers of cold water started circulating on social media. In 2023, it's resurfacing. The article warns, avoid cold water, and claims it increases the risk of heart attacks, suggesting that cold water could constrict coronary arteries, leading to a condition called vasoconstriction. This could block blood flow, potentially causing a heart attack. The article also claims that cold water could trap fat in the liver due to hypothermia, leading to severe fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer, potentially requiring a liver transplant, a highly risky surgery. Another claim tied to my area of expertise is that cold water could damage the stomach and intestinal lining, increasing the risk of gastric and intestinal adenocarcinoma, which are malignant tumors of the stomach and colon. Just to clarify, when we talk about tumors, they can be benign or malignant, but cancer always refers to malignant tumors. As a digestive surgeon, I always aim to educate because understanding health is crucial. Health is our greatest asset, and as I always say, we only have one. The more you know and care for it, the better you can preserve this precious gift. So is it true or a myth that cold water can cause heart problems, severe liver fat buildup, and stomach or intestinal cancer? Everyone, this is fake. This is a lie. It's already been debunked. The doctor, whose name was signed on the article, was proven to be fake. He didn't even put his real name. Claims about his institution and social media channels are false. It's impossible for cold water to cause these heart issues. It's a lie. Why do they spread this? They often take half-truths and exaggerate them for attention. For example, they reference cases of hypothermia in extremely cold environments, where people without proper clothing or in freezing water experience a dangerous drop in body temperature, leading to severe vasoconstriction or even cardiac collapse. But this has nothing to do with drinking cold water. Where did they get the idea that cold water causes fatty liver? It's illogical and doesn't exist. Fatty liver is linked to alcohol consumption, excessive carbs, fried foods, diabetes, high cholesterol, triglycerides, obesity, or sometimes hereditary factors. It has nothing to do with cold water. As for stomach and intestinal cancer, I can't even find a logical connection or scientific basis for this claim. It's absurd. Similarly, some myths sound plausible but aren't true. For example, some say drinking cold water on an empty stomach helps you lose weight because the body works harder to warm it up. Sounds convincing, but it's not true. Others claim warm water aids digestion, which also seems logical, but isn't accurate. I have videos about drinking 600 milliliters of water on an empty stomach in the morning, which has helped many people, including me. But this has nothing to do with cold water. So, who should avoid cold water? People with throat or tonsil issues, like pharyngitis or tonsillitis or those with a cold, should avoid it because it can irritate already inflamed tissues. But for others, it's not a risk factor. Now, my personal opinion, what kind of water do I drink? Room temperature water? When it's very hot, I might add a bit of cold water to cool it down. The study I mentioned about morning water intake was conducted with room temperature water, not cold or warm. As for the claims in this resurfaced article, they're all fake, all myths, all lies. Don't forget, many people are enjoying and learning from our Instagram content, which includes information not shared on YouTube, and vice versa. Follow us on Instagram, Dr. Fernando Lemos, Dr. Fernando_Lemos. You'll love it. We also have a free Telegram group. Click the link in the video description below the title to join. And don't forget to like the video, it's crucial for the channel. Subscribe and share with anyone concerned about cold water. It's all a myth. Hugs to everyone, and may God bless you. This version maintains the original message, but uses different phrasing and structure to avoid plagiarism. Let me know if you need further adjustments.